Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, this is our new dump truck. Brand new, to us anyways. Actually, it's just slightly used. Anyways, 2018 Peterbilt 388 quad axle dump truck. And this is a factory built dump truck. It's got the 20,000 pound front, 46 rears, full lockers. It's a beauty. It's only got like 22,000 miles on it, so it's not even broke in yet. And it's a glider kit. You can see there's no def tank on there because she's a glider. And it's got a 19-foot Mack aluminum box. It's a double wall aluminum box. It's got all the lights. It's got all the chicken lights on it. I never really seen that before either, where the tarp arm's on top of the bed. Actually, I kind of like that. It gives it a more cleaner look. It's got 7-inch stacks on there with picket elbows. And this truck's got dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. And I'll show you how the original owner of this truck did that. Drop visor on it. Nice, really nice paint scheme right there. Pretty basic bumper. Yep, and there's the other fuel tank. And this right here is how they were able to put dual tanks underneath the cab. You used to see this on the old Peterbilt cab overs, where you got the battery box there and you got got your air tanks underneath. And that's how they were able to put dual 100-gallon fuel tanks underneath the cab. Servo axles. And it's riding on Pete Air Track suspension. It's double framed. There's the back of it. It's also got a lift gate. The gate will lift completely up if you want it to. It's a damn nice truck. Here's the motor. It's a Cat C12. It's got the PDI Stage 1 tuner. And it's got the ceramic manifold with the PDI turbo kit. She's got some power. I mean, it's just as strong, not stronger than a C15. And there's the other side of the motor. Also got the chrome air-to-air tubes. And she is C12. I know it looks so freaking tiny in there. I know our white 386 has a C13 and it seems much bigger than that, you know. There's a little quick shot of the interior. Pretty basic. Couldn't get in because the door's locked. Well guys, I did mention in the previous video that we were getting a new or almost new dump truck, and well, we did. But we still have our white 386. We didn't end up selling it. I'm glad we did, because this year business has been awesome this year. And as you can see, we bought a new paver this year and a new skid loader and a Now we went and bought a new dump truck. You know, that's how great things been this year, and it's been really blessed this year. Anyways, we just picked it up yesterday, and we just did a job with it today, and it did okay, dumping into a paver, and it's a damn nice truck. I mean, just, you know, what's not to like about it, you know? Especially being a glider kit, not having to jack with all that anti-emission stuff. You know, there's heard nothing but horror stories about that, you know. Well, anyways, I'm going to wrap the video up here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.